To reduce worker exposure to COVID-19, it is important to clean and disinfect frequently touched objects and surfaces in the workplace. This video focuses on how to clean and disinfect surfaces that may be touched by multiple employees during the day. Cleaning removes germs from surfaces. Disinfecting kills any germs that remain on a surface after cleaning and reduces the risk of spreading infection. For cleaning, we will need these materials: detergent or soap diluted in a spray bottle, or a ready-to-use detergent product. Scrubbing aid, appropriate to the item and the soil load. Single-use paper towels may work for relatively clean, smooth surfaces. Brushes or cloths may be used for more heavily soiled items, but these, in turn, should be cleaned and disinfected between uses. Water for rinsing. To clean a surface, first, spray or apply detergent solution on the surface to be cleaned. Next, scrub the surface vigorously so that visible suds cover the entire surface. Finally, either wipe down the surface with a wet paper towel or rinse it with clean running water. Throw away any paper towels used or clean and disinfect any reusable cloths or brushes. Once a surface has been cleaned, it should be disinfected to kill any germs that might remain. There are many disinfectants you can use. Always follow product label instructions and use all indicated personal protective equipment. Only those employees trained to handle pesticides should mix and apply disinfectant solutions. Bleach is one of the most commonly available disinfectants. The active ingredient in bleach is sodium hypochlorite, and you can make a solution out of any bleach that contains between 5.25 and 10% sodium hypochlorite. To make a disinfecting solution from bleach, first put on protective gloves, protective clothing, face protection, and eye protection such as safety glasses. Mix 1 ounce of bleach with 1 gallon of water. Use a test strip to confirm the concentration is between 500 parts per million and 1,000 parts per million. At this concentration, the solution may be corrosive to some metals and irritating to skin, eyes, and respiratory tissues. Only apply your bleach disinfectant in a well-ventilated area. To disinfect, spray or wipe disinfection solution to completely cover and wet the surface. Let the surface sit with disinfectant on it for at least 1 minute and until the disinfectant has dried. Ensure that no employees touch items until the disinfectant has dried. Keep in mind, active chlorine degrades over time and in the presence of air, light, heat, and organic matter. It is best to mix smaller quantities daily than to store large quantities that will become less effective over time. This message brought to you by the California Strawberry Commission.